It made sleeping and sneezing, coughing, everyday things pretty painful.
Did you just get hit in the wrong spot, you think, or?
That's a play where you watch it and it's like normal basketball stuff, and he must have just got me right in the right spot and dinged me up pretty good.
Did you went through shoot around in Dallas? What happened that caused you to have a bit of a setback?
Our trainer Spiro saw me sneeze. Quite a bit of pain still involved with that, so he decided to sit me out.
Do you expect to play tonight?
I hope so. I mean, I went through shoot around and I feel great, so that's LD's decision.
Are you pain free at this point?
I can play.
Get some clarity.
Huh?
Get some clarity in it.
Get some I know. Anything to stop sneezing, coughing, any big belly laughter, I need to leave that alone for a little bit.
So no sneezing during the game.
I don't plan on it.
Stay away from chanting.
Exactly.
As far as your team playing after the All-Star break, 5-2 at home, what's the difference with your play as a group?
Honestly, I think it's a big credit to our fans. Like they've really showed up and showed out this year. It's been awfully admirable what they've been, the support they've been giving us, and we're starting to really feed off their energy and hopefully they can feel that.
What player would you say feeds off the energy of the crowd the most on your team?
I would say Colin, but he kind of feeds off his own energy. I'd still probably Colin. He's probably our most fiery guy, so probably him.
The way you guys have played against some of these playoff contenders who are really going all out, I mean, that's got to give you big time optimism for the future.
Yeah, I mean, we coming into the year, I said it. In the year, I said it, and we've just been unfortunately plagued by injuries. But if we can get our whole ball club together, we are really not. We are not what our record shows, and so I think teams are starting to see that, and anybody that comes in and kind of takes us for what we were is going to be sorely mistaken.
Collins scored 23 points, and it hasn't for how many games? It hasn't been done since Tim Duncan. Does that this long a streak? What does that say? I mean, you got to be kind of blown away by that.
That speaks for itself. Since Tim Duncan, that's a hell of a career. So if he can keep that up and just the biggest thing about it is it'd be one thing if he were scoring those points and we still weren't winning, but we're winning a little bit too. So the fact that he can do that in a productive way is just huge growth and something that is extremely promising.
What's been different for you guys on the road? You have the fewest wins on the road this year.
I couldn't tell you. I think obviously the road is a really tough place to play. I think we've done a whole lot of resting guys on the road, and oftentimes we come into another team's arena and kind of let them throw the first punch and try to rally back after that. I don't care who you are, Milwaukee, Golden State, Chicago, Phoenix, it doesn't matter. That's a tough way to win.
One of the biggest keys against the Bucks tonight has been the three-point line. Where do you guys feel like you've grown in that department, and how can you get better tonight?
So, like you said, tonight is obviously a big three-point game. They've got, I think, 3 guys that shoot over 6 a game. Brooke, Mirotic, and Middleton. That's a lot. And so, if we can continue to run guys off the line, we've been doing a better job of that. Just kind of, at least getting a hand up on contesting shots. If we can continue to do that, then that's certainly step one to stopping those guys.
One more thing about the home crowd. The other night they were on their feet for at the very end.
Yeah, they should have been. That was awesome. That was awesome. I mean, that was one of those games that that's one of those games that basketball fans you live for as a basketball player as well. Down to the wire, close games, guys made big shots against a playoff team. That's that's huge for experience. So I think we all are pretty thrilled with that win.
Who is running your tournament pool?
Running our tournament pool.
Yeah.
I don't know. We've given our brackets in, but I don't know who's like the head of it.
Who you got?
Winning it all? I have 2 brackets. I have UNC in one and Michigan State in the other.
And on Duke.
I don't want to be the guy that just picks the best.
Yeah.
You know?
Alright.
It's the sole reason.
So you pick another number 1 in North Carolina?
Yes. if Wyoming were to be in it, Cowboys all the way.